Alright. Votre connexion est faible. Or something like that. It says my connection is too weak. And I can fix... Oh, I can even go in black and white. Look at that. Okay, if you're watching this live, I'm sorry to mess with you, but I just discovered the filters for Facebook Live that I can use, and I'm trying... Oh, look, I'm a green man. Green man. Okay, let's do this seriously. Okay, welcome back. So, one more time. What am I don't know if I described this broadcast for you, by the way. Okay, good. So, we're flying over the Indian Ocean. We just flew past Omani airspace. I still have 3 hours 52 minutes on this flight. Thank you, Belinda Omokage and Maggie Namens, Fikapoa and hi. I'm flying on a Rwanda A330-200. That's the plane. It flies Kigali, Dubai. There's literally no passenger annoying Annabella because there's nobody in business class apart from me and Effie. David Ojola, Safe Journey, thank you. Marwa Caesar, I see you. Samuel Okotse, what's up? Mary Edwin Mayatsu, hey big boss, travel safe, thank you. Anyways, I'm trying the Wi-Fi on this and it says the connection is too weak to do a broadcast, but it seems you can see me anyway, so tell me how good the connection is on your side. Mary Edwin Mayatsu, Abikas Chana, see you have energy. Brian Murimi, what's written on your shirt? Life's too boring to wear, life's too short to wear barren clothes. Annabella, okay. Joseph Gaturu, I'm trying to catch some sleep, please log off and let's catch up later. You should log off. Joseph, if you're trying to catch some sleep, why are you here? But I appreciate that. Somebody asked where I'm going from. I'm coming from Dubai. I'm heading to Kigali. I've got some business in Kigali, and then later today I'm gonna go back to Nairobi. Samuel Okote want me to contact them when I get to Nairobi. Anyway, so if you can see this, tell me where you're watching from. If you have any questions for me, you can put them out here as well. I think what I'm gonna do meantime is show you a bit of the cabin. Oops, I had my hand on the lens. So they even switched off the lights so people can get some sleep. And here's Effie. Effie actually is the only other person here. Effie, tell me how to on Facebook. Hello people. Esfan Drogba, Seattle Hapa. When are you getting married? Why do people want me to get married though? Simwateni prosper. Let me prosper, man. You turn down the window so the lighting is better. Yeah. Watching from Lavington, Jaramba. Samuel is in Nakuru. Asaf ndio mimi. Give me a shout out. I know you a shout out. And we're back. I'm sorry, the connection is horrible. Wacha nikwambie kweli, I've slept for an hour. I had 1 hour of sleep. Ndio maana nimetoka. So I need to go and sleep. Trisha Val, what's this fascination with planes? Do you really need to know all your flight details? Yes, you do. Every single detail. I'll be posting every Mwangi, I see you. Because gay, utapita anga yetu Kenya, happy, proud to see you. Okay, here we go, one more time. The connection is really horrible. It's satellite, it's 40,000 feet, so it's understandable. Tegla Ryan, I enjoy your downfall, but sometimes you act vain. What is downfall? Atuman Bachu, Oya Mambo Vipi uko wapi? I believe we're somewhere just after Omani airspace in the Indian Ocean, heading to Kigali from Dubai. That's where I am. And 120 people watching now. So the connection is horrible, and let me explain why. Because this Wi-Fi uses satellite. It's at 40,000 feet. It's not great, but it's okay. In fact, it should not be able to do a live broadcast, but it is. So if you can get this, and if the connection is great, tell me what you make of it. Starlin, I wish you could afford that too. Just enjoying live. Listen, anybody can afford what they put their minds to. I'm not motivational. Okay, here we are one more time. So, oops, damn it. Nimejimwagia maji kwa pupa zangu. I was just gonna go to sleep, man. That sucks. That really sucks. Anyway, this is all your fault. Nyinyi ndo wasomeni nini? George Ian Adede. I don't know what you're trying to say there. Okay. Anyway, moving along swiftly. that's where we are. For those of you who are asking where we are, above what. All right, there we go. Can you turn off that light? It's gonna go dark for a moment. I will be in Kenya on Friday. Don't worry. There's 100 of you guys are very patient. It looks dark, but stay with me. Stay with me. Don't worry. I'm gonna show you something. I'm gonna open a window and show you outside. That's what it looks like. Somebody just wished me a downfall. Eshvan Drogba, yes. Sasa bibi angekuwa angekukonsole. Unaona? I don't know how you arrived at that conclusion, but hey, I appreciate that. Christopher Gitome niaze. Anyway, as I was saying, I was explaining the purpose of this video. It's not because I'm fascinated by a flight. Some of you are asking, why is it I'm showing you this video? Why am I fascinated by flights? Okay, the lighting is horrible. I'll just turn this halfway down so you can see slightly better, and then turn on the lights here. Okay, it's not because I'm fascinated by flights. It's because this is the first time that an East African airline has Wi-Fi on board. So I'm testing that, and the best way to test it is by using a live feed on Facebook, because it takes up a lot of bandwidth. Okay, that's the reason why. So don't be too judgmental. I'm on a flight every week, sometimes 3-4 times a week. Alright guys, I'm gonna go to sleep now. I've only had an hour of sleep yesterday, so I'm very sleepy, and I think I've tested the Wi-Fi. It's not great to do a live broadcast. It's great for Facebook, email, Instagram, that sort of thing. So if you catch this halfway, I'm not doing this to show you that I'm on a flight or I'm in a business class or any of that. I'm doing that to test the Wi-Fi and just see how well it does, you know, in the wild. And I think congratulations to Rwanda for doing this. First airline in East Africa, actually probably the first airline in Africa to have Wi-Fi on board. It's an A330-200. They're getting another one. I think they're getting another one at the end of this month. So there are 2 aircrafts now that have Wi-Fi that Rwanda has. Okay, I gotta go, man. Nenda kulala. The airline is Rwanda. I see somebody asking. Someone nisiwasumbue. Sawa, nimeacha kuwasumbua. Na mkiwa pole pia nyinyi. Ukitaka kunipasha pia mimi naweza kupasha, brother. Ama ni system. Mtu afungagi mshipi once you're in cruise unless you have turbulence, okay? That's CNBC. So okay, let me explain why this Wi-Fi is a big deal. You don't have a connection when you're on a flight. At 40,000 feet, there's no hakuna mobile QV. So airlines around the world have Wi-Fi. Emirates does, but a lot of American carriers, and this is the first time it's happening in Africa. I don't know any other African carrier that has Wi-Fi. Rwanda does that, and that's why I'm testing it, and I wanted to see how it works, okay? Okay, nenda kulala sasa. Alright, need to turn on a light here so y'all can see me just a little. There we go. Yeah, so this is the first time I've ever done a live broadcast from a plane. And I think it did well, considering it's satellite, it's 40,000 feet. I didn't expect it to be fantastic, come a 4G and my Wi-Fi, but I think it's okay. Okay? Glory around, don't worry about the haters, Larry. Do your thing. Some of us are happy. Thank you, James Content. I've been using Emirates and it does have great Wi-Fi. When are you coming back to the States? He asks. I don't know when I'm back in the States. Probably next month. I try not to come to the States. I don't know if I'm welcome anymore. I like to go to places where I am welcome. If you catch my drift. So if I don't come up to the States soon, you know why. Unaenda mahali umekaribishwa. Julie Andrew, safe journey. Thank you so much. I still have how long to fly? Begin English. Alright. Home. I still have 3 hours, there's 2 minutes. Neza lala kutosha in 3 hours, there's 2 minutes. Ndio? Yes. Yeah, that's about. Nikilala 3 hours, itongeze ile 1 hour nililala jana usiku before I made it for this flight. Barely made it. It's difficult. A big shout out to all 160 of you guys, 164 of you guys watching. David Koske, iko bam, suko hewani naona unarukaruka. What is up, brother? What is up? When you're a Mary, I love you, Larry. I need to be on your show, please. Get in touch, inbox. My team will look at it if they think you can make it. I'd love to have you on. Grace Wanja Tush. What's up? Alpha Kids. Hey Larry. Iraqi Felix. Good stuff. Thank you. Charita Chisha Omboy. Larry, you're my best. Ah, thank you. Farid Fadil. Float away. Nandakulala. Selemi Nandakulala. The connection is steady. More people are tuning in. This is very, very interesting that it's kind of holding steady now. Kanaongeza. Oops, just lost the lights. The little lights I had. This little light I had. Oh, that's not what I'm fixing. Okay, let's take a few more questions then. Seeing as the connection is really holding steady and the number is increasing, I might stick around some more and take your questions. Where are you watching from? What is the connection like for you? And do you have any questions at all? And if you're just joining in the broadcast, flying over the Indian Ocean from Dubai heading to Kigali on Rwanda and testing the Wi-Fi on the A330-200. Grace Wanja Tush, for the first time after years of commenting. I know you, Grace, tumekuona sawa. Moshe Diana just answered that. I'm heading to Kigali. I'm coming from Dubai, and I'm on Rwanda testing the Wi-Fi. And there's 178 people here, which is amazing. Mini mshamba Megan Wambo. Mini mshamba nashanga siji light unafanya nini. Mishar D, I see you. Alfan Maina, hey Larry, what's up? Grace Wanja is in Kahawa Sukari. Mwende job, what time is it? What time is it? It depends, I don't know. I think it's I'm gonna need to check that. It is 9:08 where I am. 9:08 a.m. Yes, Bill will. The Wi-Fi is available in economy. It's available throughout the aircraft. You get 10 MB for free or 15 minutes, and then after that you pay. You start the plan starts from $10. Monica Ngugi, this is great. Thumbs up to Rwanda. I hope the pride of Africa will get here one day. Asante. Kimilel Seda, good job. Asante. Joshua Mwangi, great Larry. You're role models for many people watching from Qatar. Asante sana. Joseph Ferrari, mimi bado niko kwa jamii ya Mombasa Road. Hata mimi niko kwa jamii huko video, brother. Daniel Miner, Larry, was that blue thing with the yellow behind you? What's the this blue thing with the yellow is the logo of Rwanda. For those who are wondering, that is the logo of Rwanda. I didn't realize it was there. Hiyo kipara. Watana na kipara yangu. Watana na kipara yangu. Tafadhali. Watching live from Iraq. Elaine Lishaz. Alpha Maena. Next time you show me for a briefcase. I hear you. The other two lights here, I don't know, they turned on. So much better lighting there. I figured the lighting finally. I figured it out. I hope you can see me slightly better now. Dominic Iprotichirono watching in Nakuru. Perina Omboy in China. Jordan Moses, enjoy Larry. Asante sana. It's lovely to see all this positive energy. Niongeze likes. I see what, you know what, I've discovered something. The reason why the connection kept dropping because I was on either side of the aircraft, okay? Like a guile. Felista Wanjoi, Kinyanjui, Larry Pesotas. Mugendi Patrick, naona meno tu rangi ya kiwi boss. Shem gets Makore, Kinoi na kuona mse. Asante sana brother. Ishmael Gishna watching live from Kisii. Kisii kuna kwa mpaka wasoka na bundles ya watch live broadcast. I appreciate. It's all good. Amir Mohamud Tabar watching live from the United States of Kisumu. Beduru Mos. Terry Ba Aiden. Larry unapenda kusore. I'm not sure what that is. Kibet Kirui, the plane is empty. Yes, business class, there's literally 2 of us in business class. Ronnie Wafula. Said Sharif, I saw your tweet. Larry, I'm getting married in December. Karibu Tulenyama. It will be a big Maasai wedding and venue in Karen. Thank you for the invite, man. If I'm here, I'd love to come. Kristen Githaiga. At the aircraft. I know. Kushema Tundozangu. Eugene Mine, I wish you would fulfill my dream of sitting in a plane. We're going to run some activations and promotions that could make that happen. Kishuki Albert in Kushogoria. What's up? James Mwangi Kiraki. Congrats to Air Rwanda. That's awesome. Lion Nganga Ernest. Buddha Boss. Qatar in the house. I haven't been to Qatar this year. That's a shame. Gloria Rono in Baringo. Sam Sagi. Hope Baumena. Abdi Karim Mohammed. Is this Karim? This young man Karim. In fact, it's called Abdi Karim Mohammed. Maybe it's him. What's up, man? Jordan Mohammed. Jordan in Mombasa. I'm coming to Mombasa on Saturday. Daniel Miner. These guys wanna show ongeza lights ni Phoenix ndo nasumbua. Tunakuona ki 3D na iPhone. Sawa boss. Frank Raphael Otis. Hey. Abdi Karim Mohammed is in Canada. Nice. Shout out, man. Felista Kinyanjui, why didn't you have a meet and greet? How can they kuja where you are? So let me tell you guys a fun story, right? So we went to Kiza in Dubai last night, and I didn't realize how many Kenyans there were there. I had to leave after a few minutes because, and no offense, but there were too many people. Like, you couldn't enjoy it when everybody wants to come up and take a picture. It was great meeting all those guys at Kiza last night in Dubai. Lilian Karainto, I love you from Jordan. I love you too. Samuel Mwendo Kinyanjui, zawapi tena kiongozi. Hey, maza nimeitwa kiongozi. Acha kunichota brother. Hao ndo zona nichota baby bye. Kiongozi. Kiongozi wa wapi? Kiongozi wa where? Yes. Didn't even recline the seat a little. Iraqi Felix watching live from Westlands. Good morning. Good morning to you, Mr. Felix. Perisi Mudoni Kibona. Perisi from Mwanza, Tanzania. Mwanza mmeshindaje habari za asubuhi dada. And Joseph Nganga, KQ are coming all the 7787 have Wi-Fi. Listen, I fly Kenya Airways almost every week, and those Dreamliners have flown them a lot. They ain't got no Wi-Fi. It would be nice if they had. I mean, let's grow the airline industry in Africa, right? Njeriwa Karanja Mkubwa, Monix Mburu, love you from Nairobi. I love you too, Monix. Julie Andrew, hi Larry, watching from Saudi Arabia. I have to try that flight with the Wi-Fi next time, inshallah. Victor Mwangi Kogi, take it slow. You ain't reading a script. I speak fast because life is short. You need to speak fast. Get it? Yes. That's a better angle. Douglas Gikaya, watching from Doha, Qatar. Kiprono Bas from Kericho, good morning. Tyra Zawino from Maseno University. Appreciate that. Felix Alvin Odiambo. Somebody comment, Larry, how are you? I'm fine, thank you. How are you? Daniel Miner, Safe Journey mentor. I appreciate that. I need to go to sleep. I've just been. So one of the other things I love about this is that full flatbed. This chair can recline all the way to the end. Just as long as I keep pressing that and it keeps going down. By the time it gets to the bottom, you all know I'm leaving you because I'm going to Lala, right? On a jail story. Alright, let's go. Let us go. Let us go. Okay, so that's all the way to the top. It's my sleep time, so I have to say goodbye. And thank you so much for watching, all of you. This has been really great. Eric Manrabona from the USA and Jerio Karanja said, I forgot to say good morning. And Rafael Jeroge also in the States. Joe Googs, hi Larry, how many feet up there? This is about 40,000 feet. Okay, as I go, let me explain one more time why I'm doing this live from inside the plane. This is the first time I've ever done a Facebook live from inside a plane, and it is made possible because Rwanda's A330s have Wi-Fi, a first for East Africa, possibly a first for Africa, and I was testing that. And what better way to test than by doing a live, because it consumes a lot of bandwidth. It actually held up pretty well once I figured it out. Frank Raphael Ortiz, salamu kama Mluya. So that's why I did this. Alain Lishias, don't go. I gotta go, man. I'm sleepy. Like I said, we were out last night, so I only slept for an hour, and then I had to go and catch the flight. And I've got how much longer to go? 3 hours 22 minutes. If I sleep for 3 hours, take a minute idea. That is why. In fact, they even switched off the lights in the cabin. Let me show you. They switched off the lights in the cabin so people can sleep. It is very quiet in here. Ngati ya loko, wapi mawingu tuamini si basi Githurai. Megan Wambu Agason, you're keeping us up and we gotta work in the morning. Go to sleep, Megan. Go to sleep. Okay. I suspect when I move to the window and open, it's going to go blank. But that will be when the connection stops. When the connection disappears, I'm going to stop and go to sleep. Betty Ukere Madon Omera. So, from somewhere above the Indian Ocean, thank you so much for watching. You all have been great. I'm going to open the window now and show you the Mawingus to prove that we're on a plane, like so. Julian Ruensadi Wakanyo, Ensadek, Abdikarim Mohammed. Canada is huge, man. I don't know which part of Canada you're talking about. Zibora Grace status. I don't take coffee at all. I do not take coffee at all. Sipendi coffee. Sipendi kahawa. Aya ndizo mawingu. Mtu alisema tuoneshe mawingu ndo mjue nini. Mjue ukweli si basi ya Githurai. Muona sasa. It's actually beautiful. It is truly amazing. There. Sam Mushiri. Muduri. That's inside the cabin. There's a lot of people in economy class, but I wouldn't go there and show you because that's an invasion of their privacy. That is why I'm only showing you this, because I'm not bothering anybody and broadcasting the face against their will. Alright. If I wasn't going to sleep, what movie would I watch? Movies. Alvin and the Chipmunks. I like Alvin and the Chipmunks. I really do. Oh yeah, now you get to see what I'm doing. Joe Cabed King, hello from Minneapolis. Josie Sky Blue, Larry, you tourist. Yep. Let you carry Madonna, it's real, man. Nimona making safe flight. Ishmael Ruka. Jack and Jenga Kweli. There's now 200 people. Now someone's a Komka. That's nice. Esther Skogi, checking you from USA. USA ni poa. Immaculate Njoroge, Swahili yangu imefanya nini? Swahili yangu ni poa. My Swahili is on points. Richard Diaz looks really nice. Want to ride with you soon. Wow. Are you saying what I think you're saying? Are you saying what I think you're saying? Look, it's Alvin the Chipmunks. I can show you the video. Kagwira, Kenyan, Julie, you're one outgoing guy. Yes, I'm really outgoing. I'm always going out to other parts of the world. Is that really what you mean? Okay. Let's show you some more clouds, shall we? Those clouds are nice. Everybody likes clouds. Look at the peacefulness. When you're up here, by the way, you get a sense of... I'm a religious guy, okay? I am a Christian. I believe in God, and I believe that God created the earth. And when you're out here and you're looking at His creation, it's majestic. It is really beautiful. The clouds passing by and the landscapes and all of that. It gives you also a sense of how small you are in the greater scheme of things, right? Just look at that. This is what it looks like from outside the window of a plane, by the way. It's great weather today. Visibility is amazing. This is just above the Indian Ocean, just after Omani airspace. And wow.